Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeanette Marie. I'm going to leave my socials on the screen down below in case you want to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. I do videos on beauty and lifestyle, so I'm super excited for this one. So if you guys want to see the unboxing, then go ahead and keep on watching. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. This is my Desi eyewear that I got, and I was so happy that I got to pick up a pair of shades before they sold out. If you guys don't know, this is Desi Perkins eyewear line, and she came out and recently launched her own line of sunglasses. So let's open it up. And this is what the box looks like inside. Look at how pretty that is. I love it. Now I want to let you guys know I already opened up the box, obviously. This came a few months ago, or I think about a month ago, and I'm just barely now getting to recording a video. I thought I'd do one. I know that there's a lot of videos out there, but I wanted to show you guys since I was able to purchase one. Purchased two pairs. Well, one pair is mine and one's my sister's. I wanted to show you like what these two styles look like on my face shape and a nose shape. And it comes with this cute little card, and it has her face on it. It just says Desi, and on the back it says Desi is born. And this is, I can't wait to see you bring the brand to life. Every decision, sketch, every prototype, every late night was done with two things in mind: creativity and confidence. I know that if I focus on the creation, you would bring the confidence. Your support means the world to me. Thank you. So that's a cute little thank you card in there. And these are what the boxes look like. Look at how cute it says Desi right here. I think you guys can see that, right? And it opens up like this. And I already said, like I said, I've already opened it. It also has a detail in here. It says Desi, and it comes with this cute little bag. And on this bag it says Desi as well right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this first pair, these are my pair. These are the ones that I got. And I got the pair called Charge It. And it says Desi in the inside right in here. It also says Charge It, the name of the sunglasses, right in here. You guys can see that. Probably not, but these are so nice. They're, I mean, they just feel so luxe, like super luxurious. Look at, I mean, it's not too heavy, but it does feel like it has a little bit of weight to it. So it just makes it, you know, feel like super expensive sunglasses, and they are under $100, which is great. I love the detailing right here. So I'm going to try these on so you guys can see. These are the Charge Its. This is what they look like on my face and nose shape. Love them so much. I cannot wait to pick up more pairs. Just want you guys to see what they look like. Okay, I'm gonna put these back in here. And the next pair we have, I'm gonna go ahead and list because I don't remember off the top of my head how much they were. I think these were, the charges were $85, and I believe the next pair that I'm gonna show you were $75, but I'll put the pricing down below or on the screen somewhere so you guys can see. So same with the box. Detailing says Desi. Opens up, says Desi up here, and then it does come with a little bag, and the little bag does say Desi on it. Here, let me hold it up so you guys can see. I think you guys can see that. It says Desi right there. And my sister kept hers in the plastic bag that it comes in, because this is how they're going to come when you get them in your box. And these are my sister got the fallbacks. And these are them right here. I'm going to keep the plastic on because she has it on here, but it says also Desi right here. And then on this side it says fallbacks. You guys probably can't see that, but anyway, it has a little gold detailing right here as well. And then it does say Desi on the corner up here. So I love that she just did that with all her sunglasses. So these are what the fallbacks look like. My sister loves oversized sunglasses. I love them too, but I really just wanted the Charge Its because I knew that they were going to sell out fast. I was like, oh, let me just put the ones that I really want in the cart real quick. But I do love these too. I think I'm gonna get me a pair. See. I'll also link the prices down below. I'll put her website down. I'm not sure if it's up right now because they are out of stock, but they are coming back, I believe, in mid-October, if not by the end of October. She did say they're going to be restocking. So I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm going to go ahead and buy me some more. But I knew when I went on her website, I was like, oh, they're the first days she launched. I said, these are going to sell out so fast. I had to just click and get the ones that I wanted. And I already knew. My sister just told her, you know what, you're going to have to pick one because I don't think I'm going to be able to go through the whole thing and be able to buy all of them all at once because I know that they're going to sell out. So I told her, just pick one pair for now and then I'll check out real quick. So I put mine in the cart, which were the charges, and then she got the fallbacks, and I was like out of there. It's a super easy checkout process. I had just had all my PayPal information already on there, so all I did was select PayPal, and then I checked out real quick. So it didn't take me that long to check out, but I know a lot of people were having problems. But for me, it wasn't an issue. I mean, I checked out pretty quickly, got what I wanted, and used the PayPal information, and I was out. So I'm so happy that I got my hands on some of these, or at least one pair. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. These are the two shades again, the chargets and the fallbacks, and I believe it's in mid-October if I'm not mistaken, but she'll have some information on her page. If not on the website, then on her Instagram, she'll announce when they're going to be restocking. So you guys can get a hold of some of these sunglasses. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks, bye. It's like, fall back, bitch, fall back.